Hello, my name's Daniel. I had laser-assisted cataract surgery earlier this year with Dr. Tai. When I was diagnosed with cataracts, I was very scared. I actually thought I was going to go blind, but I had the surgery and it was very quick. I was very scared about, the pain and anesthesia and stuff, and there was none of that. I was very comfortable throughout, and I'm just so amazed how much I can see now. Everything's sharper, clearer. I can tell the colours apart, which was something I was having difficulty doing. I just think it's amazing, and there's really nothing to be worried about. It's fantastic.
Great, thank you so much for sharing, Daniel. So I remember you told me there was one thing that was very memorable to you during the consultation, the first consultation you had with me about your cataract. Can you share that with me?
Yeah, of course, yes. I found that you said that although it's a very common procedure, you felt that it was uncommon for me and I would only have it done once. And that really kind of put my mind at rest and made me feel much less anxious, that you kind of obviously had my wellness, you had my best interests at heart, and you really made me feel much more comfortable that it was going to be done in a sort of a caring and precise way. I was very, very grateful to be sort of put at ease in that way.
Yeah, that's great. I'm so glad to hear that. So tell me a little bit about how's your vision now, like on a day-to-day basis?
Well, I used to wear glasses, and now I find that I don't need to wear glasses because of the implants in my eyes. Everything is very clear. I can see long distance and middle distance and close up. It's like I'm a kid again. I can see so clearly. It's wonderful. Genuinely wonderful.
I'm so glad to hear that. If someone asks you that if you can tell them one thing about your surgery, what would you say?
Just how quick it is. Sometimes surgery seems to be like a big deal that you kind of pre-op and post-op and everything, but it was just so quick. I think I was probably in the waiting room longer than the procedure took. It's so quick and people take really good care of you, and you'll be in and out without realizing you even had it done.